Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel InvestTech. My name is Joseph. This week's topic is about next generation healthcare stock. We will explore a rapid growing digital health management company that I bought last week called Livongo Health, ticker symbol LVGO. I'm putting the work in, so hopefully that will help you reduce your own research. Let's get started. According to the United States Census Bureau, for the first time in the US history, older adults are projected to outnumber children by year 2034. The number of Americans over the age of 65 is expected to double from roughly 50 million today to nearly 100 million by 2060. From the global perspective, between the year 2015 and 2030, the number of people in the world aged 60 years or over is expected to grow by 56%, from just over 900 million to nearly 1.5 billion. COVID-19 is also speeding up the future of healthcare. Telehealth, telemedicine, and telecare are hot topics within the medical fields nowadays. Each of these terms refer to a different way of administrating healthcare via technology. Today, let us dig deeper into two companies, Livongo, ticker symbol LVGO, and Teladoc, ticker symbol TDOC, and see if they are worth our investing money. Livongo is a digital health management company established in 2008. It offers a whole person platform that empowers people with chronic conditions to live better and healthier lives. Beginning with diabetes, and now including hypertension, weight management, diabetes prevention, and behavioral health. Here is a quick video to better understand how Livongo can help its customers with its unique technologies, platform, and health coaching system.
People living with chronic conditions, busy moms like Julie, need to make every minute count. But managing diabetes and weight can feel like additional work. But it can also feel easy with tools like a connected meter with unlimited strips that provides real-time feedback, or a scale at home that logs her weight seamlessly, empowering Julie to better manage her health. Livongo provides timely and actionable tips to help her practice healthy habits, such as easy food swaps that minimize blood sugar spikes after breakfast. From diabetes and weight to behavioral health and beyond, Julie has easy access to tools to help her take care of herself in her own time, including in-the-moment health nudges, such as a breathing exercise to help manage her stress levels. No matter the time or place, an out-of-range reading triggers live support from an experienced coach who she can trust to guide her through a challenging moment, while uncovering underlying barriers and motivating her with long-term strategies for success. Julie gets confidence from expert support and the comfort of knowing her loved ones are in the loop. By turning real-time data into powerful yet personalized health signals, Livongo meets members like Julie where they are to empower them every step of the way on their journey to better health. Managing multiple chronic conditions can feel incredibly overwhelming for people, like David, who lives with high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Livongo's easy at-home monitoring and guidance gives people like David greater control of their health. Based on his blood pressure reading, he gets instant access to important information, like how to interpret his numbers. Over time, David is encouraged to practice healthy lifestyle habits with 5-day challenges, like taking a 10-minute walk every day, even if it's during a break at work. Everyone needs some extra encouragement and guidance sometimes, especially for those who may not know what to expect from a new medication. David's Livongo coach, Lindsay, offers much-needed coaching support, leveraging David's health information to guide their conversation, including his prescription data for cholesterol and blood pressure. She helps David understand why and how medication will help him manage his conditions, building confidence in his ability to manage his health. The health summary report lets David keep his physician in the loop too. Together, our digital programs and expert coaches adapt to meet members where they are and when they need it, empowering them to take control of their health so they can live better and healthier lives.
Livongo just reported quarter 2 earnings on August 5th and beat both the top and bottom lines. It reported second quarter earnings of 11 cents per share, beating estimate of 1 cent per share. This compares to a loss of 46 cents per share just a year ago. The quarterly report represents an earnings surprise of 1,000%. Awesome. Now, let's take a look at some of its financial highlights. Total revenue for the second quarter was $91.9 million, up 125% year over year. Gross margin stood at 76.6%. GAAP net loss is $1.6 million, making the company extremely close to turning a profit. It now has 410,000 diabetes members, up 113% year over year. And its clients grew 75% to 1,328. If you haven't already, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming video in the future. Now, let's take a look at its share price after this excellent earnings report. What? Why did it punch 11.4%? What happened? Welcome to the merger announcement of Livongo and Teladoc. So, who is Teladoc? I will try to explain what Teladoc does quickly with this infographic. Teladoc's main business is to connect patients and doctors while its telehealth platform. In this segment of its business, Teladoc can get paid by the insurance company or individual without insurance coverage. Currently, Teladoc serves more than 175 countries with 40 different languages. Teledoc acquired InTouch Health for $600 million in January of 2020 to provide software, hardware, implementation, and consulting service for more than 450 hospitals and healthcare systems as another revenue stream. Now, let's turn our focus to the key transactional terms to understand if Livongo's recent price correction is justified or simply an overreaction by its investors. After the merger, Teledoc will own 58% of the combined company, and Livongo will own the other 42%. Current Livongo shareholders will receive 0.592 shares of Teledoc shares, plus $11.33 in cash per each share they own, subject to Teladoc's and Livongo's shareholders' approval and U.S. antitrust clearance. Now, we have a basic idea of what both of these companies do. Let's look at some of their financial numbers. The combined company will have roughly $1 billion in revenue as of June 30th, 2020, with 52% annual growth and gross profit margin of approximately 67%. This deal is also expected to bring a staggering number of users together. The company said that their combined client base has only a 25% overlap, and that together, they will cover over 70 million people. Teladoc's global reach will be crucial to helping expand Livongo's business overseas. The chronic care business will also be looking to push its offerings into new conditions, including congestive heart failure, chronic kidney failure, and more. Let's take a look at some quick fundamental and technical data of both stocks during the last 9 months. Technically, I see the first support of LVGO shares at around $115. If it drops past that, the next support will be at 109 and then 100. For Teledoc, first support is at around $182. If it drops past that, the next support is at 175, then 160. As we can clearly see, both stocks has been in a major uptrend throughout last years. I have personally bought 25 shares of LVGO with an average price of $113.95 with the recent drops, and will double my position gradually if it drops further. Both companies are very close to its turning point of becoming a profitable company individually. And based on the recent quarterly results, I like LVGO a little bit better, hence my recent purchasing decision. My view is that the global virtual care market, including telehealth and chronic disease management, is so big the combined company should be able to keep growing at a rapid pace for years to come. I also think that the addition of Livongo's platform will give Teladoc a competitive advantage in winning new clients. Teladoc's international presence could even enable Livongo to gain traction outside of the US. I believe that the recent sell-off presents a tremendous opportunity to buy a great healthcare stock at a discount. Investors will be better off if they focus on the long term rather than the short term. And the long term for these companies looks more promising now than ever. With the aging population and increasing support of telehealth by the government, I'm very optimistic regarding my investment in LVGO in the long run. If you haven't already, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming video in the future. Thank you for watching and happy investing. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.